Hey, hello nerds. Today I'm going to explain how you can integrate a VoIP system into your smart home. This might be convenient when you want to be notified about events happening in your home while you're away. For instance, receive a call on your mobile phone while the intruder alarm is triggered or when there's smoke detected. And of course this can easily be done with a push notification or text message, but a phone call is less easily missed. Another advantage is that you don't need a data connection to be notified. So what do we need to set this up? We are going to connect Home Assistant, our home automation platform, to FreePBX, our VoIP server based on Asterisk. I'm not going to show you how to set up FreePBX because this is out of the scope of this tutorial. If you want to learn more about this awesome open source PBX platform, you should check out freepbx.org. Also check out Chris's channel, Crosstalk Solutions. He has great videos to help you get started with FreePBX. I'll post the links in the description. Okay, we'll be looking at FreePBX, but this should work with all Asterisk-based PBX platforms. The setup, however, will be a little different. So once you have your VoIP server up and running, it's time to connect to Home Assistant. For this, we're going to make use of the Asterisk Manager API. The Asterisk Manager interface, in short AMI, allows a client, in our case Home Assistant, to connect to an Asterisk instance and issue commands or read events over the TCP IP stream. And this allows us to initiate calls from Home Assistant. To make things easier on ourselves, we'll be using Node-RED and a custom node to make the AMI connection. After the connection is made, we can initiate events using a few parameters which we will inject with a change node. Once we have a connection set up, we can also use Node-RED to make all kinds of automations. For this example, I'm going to configure an automation that will call my cell phone when the alarm is triggered. Once I pick up, I want FreePBX to play a pre-recorded message. First off, we need to create a AMI user inside the FreePBX GUI. Second, we need to get into Node-RED and install the AMI node. Now we're going to configure the node and check if we have a successful connection. Now that we have a connection, we can configure the commands we want to send to our VoIP server. Inside FreePBX, we need to upload a pre-recorded message and set up an inbound route and announcement to connect us to our message once we pick up the phone. Okay, success! We're now able to get notified through phone calls when we're away from home. But of course we don't have to stop here. Using Node-RED we can create a flow of events. For instance, we can create a call loop and call my girlfriend when I'm not picking up, and start over after a certain amount of time to make sure the message is received. Once I disable the alarm, we'll interrupt the loop and the calling stops. I'll also set up a limit to prevent the server from looping for eternity and creating very boring voicemail messages. Small tip: on your smartphone, whitelist your home automation phone numbers as your phone rings even when it's on silent. That way you'll never miss an important event. And another tip: with this AMI connection we can also work the other way around, so we can trigger events by calling a number. This opens up all kinds of possibilities. I personally don't have any use for this, but you might, so get creative. Okay, I hope you learned something today. Thank you for watching. Do let me know if this was helpful, and also do let me know if you have an awesome automation idea.